Okay, we're going to write this three ways. So first we're going to find the slope. So right now, number one, I want you to find the slope. Remember the y's go at the top. Do that right now. So here I'm going to get 7 minus a negative 2 and negative 1 minus 8. So here I get a plus, so I get 9 over negative 9, which equals a negative 1. So that's my slope. Now, to do point slope, which is the first form, you're going to use either one of these points. I'm going to use the first one. In today's worksheet, I want you to use the first one. So it's going to be y minus my y, that's your x, equals your slope, and then times x minus your x, which is a negative 1. So you can scratch that point out right there. Okay, next. To get slope-intercept form, you're going to get y by itself. So it's going to be y minus 7 equals a negative 1x. And then this becomes a negative times a positive is a negative. And then all you're going to do here is add 7 to both sides, and you're done. So you get y equals negative x plus 6. Make sure you know that. That's slope-intercept form, point slope. And then finally, to get standard form, all you do is move the x to this side. Remember, when you cross that line, the sign changes. Only for that one. Okay, today you have a worksheet. Let's take a look at the worksheet. On the first part, all you're doing is slope or a point slope. They give you the slope, they give you the point, you just write it like that, and you're done. And that's point slope. That's the whole front side of this worksheet. On the back side, you have to first find the slope. So remember, your y's go at the top. Once you get your slope, you can use either point, but I want everybody to use the first point. So it's y minus my slope, and then x minus my x. And that's how you do all this page. And you're going to skip number 20, and that's your work for today. All right, we're going to turn our attention now to MCR. Okay, so let's take a look here. So on this one right here, you got to get the variable by itself. All right, so on this one, all you do is divide. You get P is equal to this. And you're done. This one right here, you have to subtract MN from both sides. And then divide by A. You're going to have a test on Chapter 2 on this weekend from Friday to Monday. And you'll have a practice test on Friday. All right, let's go to a new section, 3.1, a new chapter altogether. I want you to graph those points right there. Graph those points. Remember, you go over first. So put over, and then up or down. Write that down and memorize that. So here you're going to go over negative 2 and then up 3, and that's point A. Point B is a negative 1 and then down 1.5. And that's point B. 3 over 2 is 1.5. All right, let's keep moving. Now, this right here, just some definitions. This is an ordered pair. Write that down. An ordered pair. This is called your abscissa. And this is called your ordinate. Those are some terms. Also on today's work, you're going to have to look things up. And you do have some graphs on here, I think. So take a look here. You don't need to open your book yet. So look, what's happening is the tapping or the entertainment begins right here. So people trickle in, and then 200 people stay, and then tapping's over with, and then people leave, and then finally everybody's gone. So an hour and a half later, 90 minutes, everyone's out. All right, so today's assignment is right here. Make sure you work quietly. Have a good morning.